What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today we are going to compare Perplexity AI and ChatGPT. Both are giant language generative AI platforms. In this video, we are going to take a quick look at what both platforms can offer. Let's start with Perplexity AI, the innovative search engine that's changing the game. Perplexity AI isn't just your average search engine. It's highly customizable, allowing you to tailor your search experience to your specific needs and preferences. Let's dive into some of the key features that make Perplexity AI stand out from the crowd. Perplexity AI offers a comprehensive set of filters, allowing users to refine search results by relevance, date, source credibility, and more. Whether you're looking for the latest information or seeking authoritative sources, Perplexity AI puts you in control. Perplexity AI seamlessly integrates with a variety of tools and services, enhancing your search experience. From leveraging the power of Wolfram Alpha for in-depth analysis to integrating with productivity tools, Perplexity AI ensures you have all the resources you need at your fingertips. Say goodbye to rigid search queries. With Perplexity AI's advanced natural language processing capabilities, you can ask questions in plain English just like you would to a friend. Whether it's a complex query or a simple inquiry, Perplexity AI understands your intent and delivers accurate results. Stay connected and informed on the go with Perplexity AI's mobile app. Whether you're commuting to work or traveling abroad, the Perplexity AI app ensures you have access to reliable information wherever life takes you. Stay productive and informed no matter where you are. Navigating Perplexity AI is a breeze thanks to its intuitive and visually appealing interface. The clean layout and simple color scheme make it easy for users of all backgrounds to find what they're looking for. Say hello to search experience that's both functional and stylish. While Perplexity AI offers a plethora of benefits, it's important to consider a few cons as well. While a free version is available, details about the premium plan's pricing structure aren't readily disclosed, potentially leaving users uncertain about the full cost of access to advanced features. While Perplexity AI shines in many aspects, it's essential to compare it with other search engines like Google and Bing Chat to understand its full potential and determine which platform best suits your needs. While the interface is user-friendly, some users may need time to fully grasp and utilize all of Perplexity AI's features effectively. Investing time and familiarizing oneself with the platform may be necessary to unlock its full potential. Now let's talk about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an advanced conversational AI model developed by OpenAI, revolutionizing the way humans interact with machines. One of ChatGPT's standout features is its natural language generation capabilities. It can generate human-like responses in real time, facilitating engaging and meaningful conversations. ChatGPT excels in content creation assistance, helping users brainstorm ideas, refine writing, and generate creative content across various domains. Another unique feature of ChatGPT is its vast knowledge retrieval abilities. It can provide accurate and relevant information on a wide range of topics, making it a valuable resource for research and learning. ChatGPT leverages personalized recommendation algorithms to offer tailored suggestions and advice based on user preferences and behavior. Lastly, ChatGPT facilitates interactive learning experience, engaging users in dynamic conversations and simulations to enhance comprehension and retention. By analyzing their architectures, performances, and potential use cases, we've uncovered valuable insights for businesses seeking to harness the power of generative AI. As these cutting-edge technologies continue to evolve, Organizations can leverage the unique strengths of Perplexity AI and ChatGPT to optimize operations, drive innovation, and unlock new possibilities in a rapidly advancing digital landscape. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.